I don't know whether to be scared or excited. What I'm about to show you next has me feeling a way I don't know how to describe. This site that I just came across is scary good, and I don't quite know how it works, but I want to show you something. It is crazy. Let's take a look at this. All right, so take a look. The site is called Polsia.com, and I put in something crazy. I just put in an old link, a link in bio, and it just has a couple of things on it, link in bio stuff, right? Not a big deal. But oh my God, it came up with all of this. Now it looks a little old school, right? I don't quite know what this is, but I think it's going to be huge. So it was able to take a look at all of these different things. Look at this. It's telling me what it accomplished. It's telling me that, hey, if you want to go ahead and start with me now, go ahead and connect. But it did all of this stuff on it on its own. It says, hey, I'll build you a lead capture and CRM system. Okay. But I've already done this audit the monetized method. They call me the monetized life guy, and it did the research. Then it's saying, hey, would you like me to go and do some cold outreach? Okay, I'll do that. But also, it came up with the mission. It already did all this. It came up with market research. It went out, checked me out, checked out my business, and says, yeah, here's some of your competitors. Here's some things that you can do. And oh my gosh, I don't quite know what to do with it all this. And then it says, oh, by the way, I built you a website and it's right here. It built the landing page already just based on what it found out. It called me Bridge OS for our Bridge Business Institute. And then it kind of did some things like this. Now, is it perfect? No, I don't think it's perfect, but it was like when ChatGPT came out and you didn't know quite what it was. And I remember a long time ago, I remember seeing a ChatGPT like thing long before this. A guy showed me, I didn't know what it was, and he wanted to use it for some other stuff, I guess. It made no sense. And then this guy knows six months later, ChatGPT comes out. But this guy was on the cutting edge. I kind of think that whoever created this is on the cutting edge. It kind of feels like maybe an agent made it, but whatever, man. It is extremely interesting. All right, so it built those. Let's go back over here and let's see what else it's talking about. It sent me an email. It's ready and launched a tweet. It's telling me that the landing page is live. It's telling me that it already built all of this stuff. And all I did was is plugged in, like I said, an old URL. And it found out all of that from this. And then it says, hey, listen, $63 a day. I'll work while you're asleep. Oh my gosh. I'm quite amazed right now. I don't quite know what to do with this, but I'm going to dig a little bit deeper. Look at this. I can do something with the domain. Let's see if we view all. Again, it's going over here 15 minutes ago. Yeah. All right. Now I haven't activated any of this stuff. All I have to do is activate it, and I guess it'll work on it while I'm sleeping. I was taking a walk when I came across an ad for this company. Now it doesn't look fancy. When you look at its landing page, it's not that fancy, y'all. I mean, really, not at all. Let's take a look. It's kind of like, okay, what's going on here? Not super duper fancy. All right. Oh, it's just saying, hey, you're already over here. What are you doing? I kind of feel like it's taking over, but I'm interested. I'm scared to go to sleep now because I don't know what this thing's going to do.